The same drive that makes you successful in your careers and parenting can unintentionally create relationship blind spots. Over time, this can lead to emotional disconnection. And before you know it, you've both drifted apart and you're wondering how you went from "I can't get my hands off you" to barely having time to have a conversation. Sometimes the biggest warnings are not in what's happening, but in what stopped happening. Rebuilding emotional and physical connection with your spouse begin with taking small intentional actions. These simple daily doorway habits require about 30 seconds of your time. Let me introduce you to the pause, touch, connect, and acknowledge doorway habits. These habits have the power to strengthen your bond and bring back intimacy in your marriage. This is how it works. Every time you and your spouse cross paths at home, whether in the doorway, the kitchen, or any other part of your home, use this 4 simple habits to reconnect. 1. Pause. Stop for a moment and be present. Life moves so fast and it's easy to rush past each other without noticing. Pausing shows your spouse they matter to you. 2. Touch. A simple action like a hug, a kiss, gently running your hand across their arm, or holding their hands for a moment can remind them they are loved and valued. This is a powerful way to connect with your spouse. 3. Connect. Make eye contact. Smile. Say something that fosters connection. It could be as simple as "I love you so much," or "you make me so happy," or even a joke to make them laugh. These small moments remind your spouse that they matter to you. 4. Acknowledge. Let your spouse know that you see and appreciate their contributions to the relationship, no matter how small. A quick "thank you for everything you do," or "I really appreciate you," can make them feel supported and valued. These habits may seem small, but it's the small things done consistently that keep a marriage strong. Rebuilding connection is about showing up for each other in those everyday small actions. The next time you pass your spouse, pause, touch, connect, and acknowledge, and watch how this little action will bring intimacy back into your marriage. Let me know how these habits work for you in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll be sharing more simple, practical tips to help you rebuild intimacy and connection.